You already know TMF, aka AAA, bag it to give it another reaction. And I was gonna save this to later, but this was heavily requested. Oh My Girl's Windy Day. And I've also been caught with like an Oh My Girl charm. Like I've been spamming Remember Me. Like that little chorus, oh, that when they go so soft, it's just so addictive. At first it was like kind of weird, but then like I got really used to it and I loved it. But yeah, enough of Remember Me. This is Windy Day. So I'm pretty excited to listen to this one. So without further ado, Oh My Girl's Windy Day. 3, 2, 1. I've been caught by the charm. Yua, Mimi, like, oh. Yo, Mimi can pull off anything. Like, have you seen her? I really like the nature vibes, yo. Yo, her eyes though, and her lips though. Alright, let's hear it. Yo, Mimi though. Such an interesting use of this. It's like so Middle Eastern. Is that the word I'm looking for? Like this kind of thing, what they do with Oh My Girl, like this part right here, whatever's happening, like musically, I think this is like their signature sound. Like I heard it in Remember Me, and like I don't know if Closer has something like it, but like it's so different, but like it's so alluring. Like that soft like thing. Yes, this part. This is what I'm talking about. Hello, can my girl Mimi get more screen time, please? Oh my. Yeah, I think I'm starting to understand like that charm point and like Oh My Girl's songs. Like it happened. It was like in Remember Me. Like what they do is just so interesting with their music. You think they go one way, but like they make it so you kind of don't expect it, and then because you don't expect it, you're like put off by it at first, and then you like listen to it and you're just like, wow, it, like this song really needed this. Like I didn't know it needed this. I didn't know I liked this until it happened, and then now I like it. You know what I mean? Like I don't know if you know what I mean, but I think you might know what I mean. I don't know what I mean, but I'm starting to understand like what draws me into Oh My Girl songs. You know what I mean? You know? All right, yeah, that's Oh My Girl's Windy Day. There's definitely a lot of Oh My Girl songs that I have to go through like chronologically. I'm probably gonna do later. But if you have any other recommendations, let me know, and support Oh My Girl, cause OMG. And if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and we on to the next one.